Is Bruce Josh in the building?
Bruce Josh is in the building.
Bruce Apperson.
We have some guests. We're so happy to be here. Bruce, you are being named Modeling of the Way for February.
Oh my.
Yes, so congratulations. You are receiving an award. We're so proud of you. And I feel somewhat connected to you after all the places I see you, right? With this.
Yeah, always
right?
in.
Like checking on stuff, making sure, working on things, and you're just so wonderful in terms of your demeanor and how you approach things and how you care for all of us. And it's more than just a facility job for you, and we feel that.
So.
Yeah. So a few more words. These come from JC. All right, and I'll give him the rest of the words later. Okay. As our HVAC expert, you address daily challenges with patience, precision, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. While much of your critical work often goes unnoticed, its impact is deeply felt throughout the district. Beyond your technical expertise, your character shines brightly. You approach your responsibilities with integrity, humility, and a deep sense of pride in your work. Your collaborative spirit and culturally responsive approach ensure that you meet the diverse needs of our school and our community with care and understanding. You are an absolute star within our team, but also a role model that truly honors you. Congratulations.